What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to another video. I have Chloe with me here today. Are you gonna say anything? Like, comment, subscribe. Okay, well, if you're an SMMA owner in 2022, you're gonna want to be listening to this video, okay? If you're struggling getting results for your clients, I'm gonna go over a couple of tips that I used over the years just to make sure that you're always getting your clients the right deliverables and results, okay? The biggest thing that I see most agency owners focus on is just this one thing, which is just ads. And that's not the way to go. You're trying to spread yourself so thin by doing just the one thing, which is just ads and ads only, okay? You need to focus on more parts of the business that are gonna give you enough deliverables to keep your clients coming back for more and more and more. And right now, we're actually in a hotel in New York City. We're staying at the Langman. If you guys don't know what that is, like a really nice hotel on Fifth Avenue, so dope. And you know, over the past 4 years, the reason why my retention was not crazy high was because I only focused on ads. And, you know, I would get a client, I would onboard them, and I would just run their ads. I wasn't thinking about their offer. I wasn't thinking about their landing page. I wasn't thinking about the back end, you know, automations, ways to simplify, delegate, help them in their business. And maybe upsells, downsells, cross-sells, whatever the case may be. And I was susceptible to getting dropped a lot because these business owners wanted more. They wanted someone to look at their landing page, do an A/B split test, help them with video ads, you know, do all these different services that I was not fulfilling at the time. And it was a big loss for me. So the biggest things were, number one is no matter what you're doing with these ad clients in SMMA, you need to make sure that you actually help them with their offer. And they think their offer is really good right now, but odds are they're wrong. They think that making, you know, maybe six figures, $75,000 a year, $200K a year means that they have a good offer. It just simply means that they had something that was appealable to the marketplace, but when they try to run their own ads, it wasn't sexy enough because maybe all they made is organic. And for you to be really like attractive to cold traffic, you need to help your clients understand that there are very different offerings that they need to be establishing, which is appealing to a big crowd or niche by solving a massive issue, okay? And that massive issue can be, you know, let's think about this. That massive issue could be booked appointments. It could be, you know, solving a certain emotional issue. It can be leads. It can be traffic. It can be ranking high on Google. It can be all these different factors that you actually want to be looking at. You know, there's a lot of insurance brokers that we deal with. So how can their health insurance be cheaper? Their car insurance be cheaper? Like, what is it about this? Like, what's the unique mechanism involved? You need to be able to have like offer creation as a skill set if you want to keep your clients on longer. You know, there's simple things. Like, for example, a lot of agencies come to me because I run ads myself for my agency. People see it. They're like, hey man, I want you to run my ads for me because I want more marketing agency clients. We just simplify their offer better. You know, ad results in 7 days or your money back, you know, 200% or more ROI in 30 days or your money back. Like, every single good offer out there has a guarantee, and you need to be able to give that for your clients, because some of your clients are scared to give a guarantee because they're actually scared that their service sucks. So it's not always about like, hey, my ads aren't working. Most of the time, when you get a person more traffic, it's because they can't close leads. They don't want to upsell people. They're too scared to upsell people in person or downsell or cross-sell or be that salesy person, when at the end of the day, the number one thing that drives sales in the business is sales. So it's just it's also a mental block and a money block as well. So we talked about offer creation. The second piece is their landing page. How can you get more leads in their pipeline? They think that running traffic to a website right now or just some small opt-in is going to make them a ton of money, but are those leads qualified? Are you giving them the right offer? Are you walking them through the journey correctly? Are you getting their customer information, then leading them to a booked call? You know, do you have sales reps in place? Like, these are the kind of strategy-based, consultant you need to be doing with your clients. It's not always just about the ads manager. What else do I look at? I look at their landing page as far as their copy. You know, their congruency. Do they have social proof, FAQs? Do they have a story? Do they have brand messaging? Is their landing page congruent to what they see in the ad? A lot of people run ads and their landing page is completely different. It's talking about the same offering, but in different words, when the ad should literally be a duplication of the landing page. If your landing page converts at a very high percentage, then your ads need to replicate that so that they read the ad, they see it, then they're like, oh, this is the same thing they talked about in the ad. It's not like something completely different, you know? There's not different logos, not different colors. Like, I try to keep everything so congruent to where whatever they see in the ad is probably what they're gonna see on the landing page. And that's like the simplification that business owners don't think is simplified. They think that they have to have this complicated landing page with all these different words on it and all this stuff. It's like, it's not actually true. And then the third piece is your actual ads themselves. I've ran ads for hundreds of companies, and it really doesn't matter what your structure actually is. It matters about the traffic that you're driving that's targeted, pre-qualified, and no matter what the creative is, as long as it's going to the landing page converts, then you're going to have good results. Okay. Also, when you're trying to give results through ads, run direct message ads, run lead forms to a booked call, and run landing page traffic. Those are 3 big things that I've done. With e-com, you want to be running top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. If you don't know what that is, I'll make another video on it, but it's a really good way for you to centralize your traffic and be able to touch them in different points of the actual funnel, okay? And it helps you convert people a lot more as well. Having UGC for the client, using a videographer, apps like Billo to get the client's UGC-based content, testimonial-based content, editing it so that it's, obviously of perceived value or of high value. And then the fourth piece is the back end, the automations, the appointment reminders, the downsells, the upsells, the emails, the SMS, the LTV boosters in the business that, the client needs to focus on. Maybe ascension programs. So a lot of your clients maybe are selling a $900 course, they're hopping on the phone, but what happens after the client finishes the $900 course? Is there an ascension high ticket program that your client's offering? Like, these are great things that you could be giving value to your clients, and they will stay for a very long time. If they sell one of those programs, they're going to be gassed, because if you have 100 courses that you sell, right, and maybe you're close to breaking even because your ad spend, closing rates, all that. What if 5 to 10% of them took a $5,000 program? Now you're sitting in the green. So think about how big of an impact that can be for your clients. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please subscribe down below, like the video, comment any questions you have about your SMMA or any clients that you currently have, and maybe how I can help you with some quick strategy in the comment section. But I appreciate you guys stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.